Just feed that one on the bench, feeding the other one a minute ago. Picking up some food. Flying up to Fatty and feeding Fatter. Aren't they so adorable? Absolutely love my pet robins. I'm not sure if it was the ones that was coming last year, Lucky and Stripe. I'm just sat here putting my coins in order, my 3 pences, and they've just been chilling away with me. Anyway, back to sorting my date run out. I didn't put my microphone in for this because I was filming the birds. Still there, look. Hiding behind the bush. See you on the next one.